So I've got this wireless speaker. It's waterproof, it has RGB lights, it also has FM radio. It's really portable. You can use it in the shower, outside, and traveling anywhere you want. Let's unbox it, check it out, see how it sounds, and go to shower and maybe outside as well. There we go, that's the speaker. It also has a suction cup for the bathroom, for the shower, and let's take this off. It has a display right here, and we also have a USB-C to A cable, something to carry it with, and an antenna for the radio, and of course the manual. Let's turn this on. You can already see the lights. It seems to be quite loud. Here is the USB-C port. You can see it's protected. And then we also have here the port for the antenna. And this is where we attach the string. And nice big suction cup right here to place it in the shower. And we have all these buttons right here for modes. This is to go to radio, back to Bluetooth. We also have the time here, the battery, and here we can play, pause the music, and then we can change the tracks as well. And we can also change the radio stations right here. And here we can turn it on and off. We keep this pressed. There we go. And you can see the suction cup is really powerful. I can move the table with it.